could get a cow to listen to, like, Warrant.
Hey, buddy. Who is this butt knocker, anyways?
This is James.
James who?
His parents asked him not to use their last name because it's like, he sucks. Well, there's a big eyeball.
Yeah, they need more big eyeballs in videos, like a big pile of eyeballs.
Yeah. What is all this stuff?
Yeah, really. It's like they're running through the grass, and then there's like a house.
Yeah. Whatever happened to chicks with big thingies and cleavage and stuff like that?
You gotta hit somebody!
Get the don't let him through the line!
Anybody.
What are you guys doing?
You gotta hit somebody!
Pretty soon everybody on the top scooting away from Brad Boyd and my dad's like, oh fuck.
Are you filming? Yep.
Filmmaker. The collage. Buckeye Brigade, 5th to 8th grade football. Costberry Hornets. We did. Good chance, Jim. Take 3.
It's Junior's son?
Junior.